How are you? I am fine, thank you. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Tanya. What's your name? My name is Tanya. Where are you from? I am from India. Where are you from? I am from India. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. Do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. Where do you live? I live in New York. Where do you live? I live in New York. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pasta. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. What is your job? I am a teacher. What is your job? I am a teacher. Are you married? No, I am single. Are you married? No, I am single.